Bissell HydroSteam Carpet Cleaner Review. Game changer or gimmick? What they don't tell you. Ever feel like your carpet has declared war on your sanity? You scrub, you blot, you vacuum for the third time in a day, and it still looks like someone hosted a chili cook-off on your living room rug. From pet stains that just won't quit to mystery smells that refuse to die, your current cleaner leaves you frustrated, overwhelmed, and ready to just rip the whole carpet out. You're wasting hours on spot cleaning that never quite works, staring down tools that fumble more than they fix. Your home deserves better. Honestly? So do you. Let's be real, life's messy. And whether it's muddy paw prints, spilled wine, or a toddler with zero concept of boundaries, it adds up fast. You try to stay ahead, but the cleaning cycle never ends. Now the stress is mounting, the deadlines at work aren't slowing down, and your home no longer feels like a sanctuary, it's a battleground. You feel like you're chasing cleanliness with a limp mop and a broken dream. That creeping burnout isn't just real, it's personal. And the constant almost clean isn't cutting it anymore. It's time for a serious upgrade before the mess wins for good. Enter the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam, your carpet's worst nightmare, in the best way. With HydroSteam technology that cleans messes up to 45% better, a built-in steam pretreater for sticky stains, and an XL dirt lifter power brush, this beast doesn't play around. It has 3 modes: Steam Pretreat, Steam Wash Max, and Quick Dry, so you're always in control. Tackle couches, pet beds, stairs, rugs, you name it, with the 7-foot hose and 4-inch self-cleaning tough stain tool. Fewer refills with the 1-gallon tank, effortless maintenance with the easy clean brush roll cover, and bonus, you're also helping homeless pets with every purchase. No joke, this is next level clean with heart. It's not hype, it's real. Reviewers are floored, literally. This thing revived my carpet to showroom quality, says one. Absolutely beast mode, raves another. Even Vacuum Wars called it the best Bissell ever made, praising the dual brush scrubbing in actual steam. Finally. Got pets? Use the Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula to erase odors and stop future accidents. And with pro-grade suction and smart features usually locked behind commercial paywalls, this thing over-delivers. Steam in 20 seconds, clean in 1 pass, dry in 30 minutes, hello, quick dry mode. Deep cleaning has never been this satisfying, or smelled this fresh. This beast moves fast, limited stock, rave reviews flying in, and smart homes everywhere are leveling up. Don't wait till your carpet gets unsavable. Buy now, secure yours today, and join thousands who've already transformed their home's vibe with a single pass. Tired of tools that promise everything and deliver nothing? Time to flip the script. The Revolution HydroSteam is here, not just to clean, but to conquer. Act now, own your clean, and finally love your floors again.